Has Olight made one of the most perfect EDC lights of all time? And what is the price point for such a thing? Stick around and we shall hash it out like gentlemen. We're back! Okay, welcome back to 5 Minute Knives, the channel that posts when it won't. Sorry guys, I've been posting intermittently. Companies have been sending me things demanding videos under pain of castration if I don't get these videos out. Hopefully, this is early enough where they don't resort to that, but companies are still sending me stuff, so I have to make videos, and here I am. And you guys know, of all the gear out there, I love reviewing flashlights the most because I do, so much research for my videos. And, flashlights are so technical that it's just like the perfect marriage of what I like and what I'm an expert at, And I have other lights, as you can see. For example, this one, the Phoenix PD36R Pro, was the light that I used to use doing Securita. And this is my favorite of all time. I love this light. And I also use in my rotation the little Duke. This is the Well Tool T1 Pro. I love this light. This is another one I'll reach for in a pinch. My kind of favorite all around has actually turned into this Trustfire Mini X3, and I really, really, really love this light. This has been my go-to for a while. I just like the interface a lot. You got like a selector on the side that gives you different modes, such as a laser front-facing light, different modes there, different strengths, bright, and then kind of like a warmer inspection light. And it's got some infrared thing and whatever. I really like the shape of this light. I like how it sits in the pocket, and this has been my go-to for a while. Recently, I have started liking this little power tack thingy. This is the E3R Nova, and it's really just very simple, basic stuff. There's your strobe, but I like this one. Just kind of one mode there. There you go. And there's your turbo mode. But tiny little light. I did have to break a little clip thing that they had here off of this for it to be usable. Review coming on this little Workos front-facing light that you clip on here. I like this one a lot. I haven't gotten around to the review quite yet, but this light's been kind of great. You just clip this onto like your front-facing pocket or even Molly. Review coming on that soon. So I have other lights. Oh, also this on the table. This is Stink in a Tin. As you can see, I've been using it. I'm waiting to hear back from this company. For a watch check, I'm wearing this Watch Dives. The model is the black one, the black looking one with the little indices, as you can see right now. Freaking love this watch. Review coming soon. So anyway, let's talk about Olight. And you guys know I've had a rocky past with Olight. During the plague, I caught Olight fever, and Olights just started popping up everywhere around my house, like on my CZ P10S replica that I have here, and just Olights aplenty. And then I had some mixed quality control issues along the way. I had one melt a holster because it kind of went off in a pack, and it got really hot, and so on. So I didn't review Olight stuff for a while. And then they sent me this knife, this oak nerf. And you guys saw my review on this one. This is like the Duran, I think. The Duran. And I said that this knife was boringly perfect. I stand behind that. It's a great knife. I carry it all the time. It's a little dirty because I've been using it, but I love the sounds of this knife. It's very ASMR-y for me. It's got good sounds, Nice knife. And I was really surprised. I was like, wow, this is great. Everything from like the deep set pocket clip with the inset screws, which I always kind of complain about. The two-piece construction, aluminum, no liners, which is great. Nitro V steel. It's just a great knife. Really, really good knife. I like this knife a lot. So anyway, they sent me this and I'm like, wow, okay. Olight's making some stuff. And then recently I got this thing in. This is the Baton Faux Pro for show, okay? And this button here, I freaking love. The placement and feel of this button is amazing. We have battery indicator on this side, and then we have the brightness indicator on the left side. So as we go up in brightness, yes, we can see stuff. There's low again, and just press and hold. A nice cool cone, focused cone. I'm not going to take this outside. I wonder if I turn these off, if this will help you imagine. Oh no. Yeah, so here we are. We got like kind of like a low mode here, and we step up gradually. Now you can double tap for your hyper mode, hyper turbo beam, which is this crazy bright. They're saying 1600 lumens and like 10,000 candela. That means nothing to me, but this is a nice light for sure. I really love the display. The button feels great. Real sharp sucker too, like really nice looking. A nice matte finish on this one. I'm seeing orange and a vibrant green on Amazon. The other thing too is I'm kind of shocked at the pricing of this. We'll get into that, but let's take a look at the clip. As you can see, it's pretty much in one position. Now I like that because this is directly opposed to the button. So when you feel the clip, the button's on the other side. So it makes a really nice indexing point in the dark. I like that a lot. Little details on this one too, like the Olight logo kind of subdued in black. I really like that. The blue button, classic, I like that. Now, Olight, for the longest time, one of the biggest criticisms of a lot of their lights, myself included, is you needed a proprietary charger, which is in this box, by the way, to charge them. But now, Olight listened to everybody, and if you unscrew this, you get a USB-C port, which is how I charged it this time. And on top of that, on a lot of their early models, if you got the magnetic charging, you would sacrifice a button. This one has a button. You have momentary, which I freaking love. That's my favorite function on any light because then you can do patrol and stuff like that. You need momentary. Very important. It's a quiet button. A little bit recessed, but not hard to use. And double tap for your turbo. Turn off, on. Boom. Easy to use. There's our turbo. There's our momentary. Nice, man. This light's awesome. I've been using this for about a week now. They've hit me up with some emails. Hey, where's your video? And it's like, this is one of the reasons I'm kind of burnt out on YouTube. But back to the Olight Baton Faux Pro for show. I really like the blacked out version. I think this is really sleek looking. Now, price-wise, I'm looking on Amazon, $70. I sort of didn't believe that at first. That's pretty cool. I'll put a link below if you want to pick it up. I don't know. Olight, we've had our differences, but between this knife, the Duran, and this light, the Baton 4 Pro, for show, I don't know. It's pretty amazing. And I believe this is like lockout. Wait, hang on. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's on lockout. Okay, so if you press and hold this for 4 seconds, you lock it out, which is really nice. And you can see right there that it's on lockout mode. I freaking like this light a lot, man. Now, if it craps out on me or something happens, I'll report to you guys. But as of right now, this light's amazing. I really like this a lot. Definitely going in my collection. Kind of happy to have it. Kind of like the Duran. I really love this. Like, this is in my rotation now. Great knife. Olight, send me something in this form factor. I know you got something like this. This is my favorite. So if you can dethrone this, I'll let you know. I'll make a video for you. But as of right now, this light, the Baton 4 Pro by Olight, I don't see how this isn't a home run winner for them. I love the button. The feel of this button is awesome. It's perfectly placed. It feels really nice. This is their best feeling light. I mean, I used to get a bunch of Olight stuff. This is my favorite Olight to date. So good job, Olight. If anything happens, I'll let you guys know. They didn't give me a lot of time for long-term testing. That being said, form factor, size, weight, shape, this thing's awesome. As far as weight is concerned, 4 ounces, if you can see that on this side of the screen. Not the lightest light in the world. If you're looking for like an EDC powerhouse, still this Well-Tool T1 Pro is still my go-to. I still recommend this above all others. I really love this Trustfire Mini X3. It's been my go-to. You just got to get used to the interface. But the clip is really nice on this one, and it's a little bit flatter, so it's nice to carry. Front-facing ones, this little workhorse light is actually pretty cool. This is the HD03. I do like this one a lot, by the way. This is a really nice, easy-to-use, practical light. Very bright. Nice, like, wide cone on this one. I gotta report honestly to you guys, and this Baton 4 Pro seems pretty amazing, actually. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you guys gotten one of these yet? They're out now. I don't know. I'm really impressed with my copy so far. This thing rocks. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time right here on the 5 Minute Knives Gentleman's Program.